Talk over.
Talk over.
We talked over the plan yesterday.
We talked over the plan yesterday.
Speak up.
Speak up.
Please speak up so everyone can hear.
Please speak up so everyone can hear.
Speak out.
Speak out.
She spoke out against unfair rules.
She spoke out against unfair rules.
Bring up.
Bring up.
He brought up an important point.
He brought up an important point.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up and listen for a second.
Shut up and listen for a second.
Listen in.
Listen in.
I listened in on their conversation.
I listened in on their conversation.
Reach out.
Reach out.
She reached out to her old friend.
She reached out to her old friend.
Write down.
Write down.
Write down your ideas before forgetting.
Write down your ideas before forgetting.
Write up.
Write up.
I wrote up the meeting minutes.
I wrote up the meeting minutes.
Write out.
Write out.
She wrote out the instructions clearly.
She wrote out the instructions clearly.
Check with.
Check with.
Check with your boss before deciding.
Check with your boss before deciding.
Get across.
Get across.
He got his point across effectively.
He got his point across effectively.
Get through.
Get through.
I tried to get through, but the line was busy.
I tried to get through, but the line was busy.
Put across.
Put across.
She put her ideas across well.
She put her ideas across well.
Catch up.
Catch up.
Let's catch up this weekend.
Let's catch up this weekend.
Drop by.
Drop by.
I dropped by my friend's house.
I dropped by my friend's house.
Drop in.
Drop in.
Feel free to drop in anytime.
Feel free to drop in anytime.
Send out.
Send out.
They sent out the invitations yesterday.
They sent out the invitations yesterday.
Pass on.
Pass on.
Please pass on the message to her.
Please pass on the message to her.
Let know.
Let know.
I'll let you know the details soon.
I'll let you know the details soon.